Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get a glider fast in your game. We'll dive straight into the most effective methods to acquire this essential item, allowing you to soar through the skies. Understanding these strategies can save you many hours of gameplay, providing a significant advantage in exploration and traversal. Get ready to elevate your gaming experience with swift aerial movement. Many games offer a basic glider as a reward for completing early game objectives. Focus on finishing your initial tutorial quests, as these often guide you through the first steps of acquiring essential gear. Typically, after about 30 minutes to 1 hour of gameplay, you might receive your first glider. This early unlock is crucial for navigating the world more efficiently and reaching previously inaccessible areas. If direct acquisition isn't an option, crafting is often the next step. You'll need to gather specific materials, such as 5 units of lightweight fabric and 3 sturdy wooden frames. These can usually be found by exploring the starting zones or defeating certain low-level enemies. Consult your crafting table or inventory to see the exact recipe and begin assembling your very own aerial device for enhanced mobility. Another reliable method is purchasing a glider from a vendor. Head to the main hub city and locate the general goods merchant or a specialized aerial equipment dealer. Be prepared to spend some in-game currency, usually between 500 and 1,000 gold pieces. Once you have your glider, consider investing in upgrades. These enhancements can significantly boost your flight speed by up to 20% and improve overall control.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.